Have you ever wondered where the electricity that powers your life comes from? This is the story of how electricity powers Kenya, uniting progress with possibility. Behind the scenes, the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum orchestrates collaboration among all players. The ministry is responsible for the development and implementation of policies that facilitate provision of clean, sustainable, affordable, reliable and secure energy services for national development. In the heart of Kenya's natural wonders, the journey of electricity begins. Exploration is the first step. The Kenya Electricity Generating Company (PLC), KenGen, and the Geothermal Development Company (GDC) delve into the Earth's core to harness geothermal energy. But it's not just geothermal. Other renewable sources like solar and wind are harvested too, contributing to a cleaner energy mix. Hydroelectric energy is one of the most common forms of renewable energy in the world. This technology uses the power of moving water to generate electricity that powers our lives. To meet Kenya's growing energy needs, the country plans to generate electricity using nuclear power from 2034. Two potential sites have already been identified by the Nuclear Power and Energy Agency (NUPEA). Besides being a stable baseload, nuclear will boost Kenya's decarbonization agenda for climate change mitigation. It's now time to transmit the generated power over vast distances. Enter the Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, KETRACO. KETRACO's network of high-voltage lines ensures the country's electricity grid is stable and reliable. At the KETRACO substations, high-voltage electricity is stepped down to consumable voltages. You're most familiar with Kenya Power. Kenya Power plays a vital role of taking the stepped-down electric power and distributes to our homes, schools, hospitals, among other places. There's an active plan to ensure that everyone, from the bustling cities to remote villages, enjoys the convenience of electricity. The Rural Electrification and Renewable Energy Corporation (REREC) offers subsidized electricity in our rural areas. REREC extends power to off-grid areas, lighting up lives where Kenya Power lines haven't been accessed. And now, we get back to you, the consumer. This intriguing journey of electricity ends at your home. With a simple flick of a switch, your water is heated, your clothes are ironed, and you can stream your favorite program. But who ensures the sector's integrity? That's the work of the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority (EPRA), which ensures quality and fairness in energy supply. Next time you light up your home, remember that a symphony of efforts from KenGen, GDC, KETRACO, Kenya Power, REREC and EPRA, led by the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, blend harmoniously to ensure a brighter future for you, your loved ones and your business.